My name is Russ Newton, so I'm head of strategic partnerships. Been with AI Media for, I guess, just under 2 years now, but coming into the very exciting things, obviously, with the advent of AI and the advancement of AI through media, but now into the broadcast sphere. So yeah, we're super excited. This is our first InfoComm, and we did we had a really great launch at NAB that was drew a lot of attention, and so yeah, we're really excited to bring our new offering, LEXI Voice, to the AV space. What we're doing is we're going to capitalize on the success that we've had with AI already in broadcast, right? And we have an infrastructure that allows us to kind of integrate live workflows into really anything at the end of the day. And so that allows us to be kind of the orchestrator of the potential of AI in text and in voice now, and then in other generative AI, Gen AI potentials. And so it really is about being able to have that ability to manage, live data as well as, indexed data in a way that brings desired outcomes. LEXI Voice is a game changer at the end of the day. So, AI Media has done a really good job of bringing forth accessibility for many, many years. And that comes through obviously delivering closed captioning and broadcast and into live venue experience. And it's become now accessible in terms of how you can use it, because the cost is no longer cost prohibitive and can be automated in terms of delivering captions. But voice is a game changer, and the reason why is because it's no longer just something that brings forth accessibility. It allows organizations to step into new markets, to expand their influence within their organizations, for example, to bring cohesiveness more efficiently, because we can take a single language in and translate to any of their desired languages, so that people can participate. And really, what is becoming an indistinguishable experience between AI versus a human voice. And then what's really interesting about the audiovisual world and the being able to work with integrators and designers is that kind of that potential to bring forth a symmetrical experience of translation that's facilitated by audiovisual and leveraging AI. And so that's the really cool things that we're doing and speaking about here, and the opportunities to dig into some really cool partnerships. So we have our own stack of technology that's hardware, software, on-prem, hybrid, cloud, all those different paradigms that will pull through LEXI Voice into all these various environments, as it were. And so we have our sweet spot that we've grown out of, which is obviously broadcast and media and in-venue experience. But as soon as you're able to grab that best quality audio, it's basically an endless opportunity, because that ensures the highest quality of accuracy. And so, we're looking at we consider, sending LEXI Voice back into the media distribution as one means of distribution. Into the audiovisual footprint is another option. But we're now bringing, not just text to mobile, but also through partnership, bringing voice to mobile with ultra low latency. And so you can imagine all the applications for that really at the end of the day. In terms of augmenting existing experience with language optionality, or opening the door to, as I say, more inclusive language experience. And if we're able to pull great audio off of an airport, AV system, we can have people be able to participate in what's going on in their language, and that has all kinds of ramifications for emergency response and all kinds of other things. So it really is a game changer, obviously, and so we're super excited, and a lot of the people that we're meeting with are excited as well. And so it's really about bringing this to market in various markets in various places around the world as soon as possible, really. Our objective is to build feature parity between our on-premise offerings and our cloud offerings, right? And including being able to bring forth secure cloud options. And that's very specifically to address the concerns of security. And so we already have successes with very well-known organizations that have the highest levels of security, where we've deployed captioning solutions to fulfill that with full on-premise logic, right? And so, bringing in translation and voice is the next step in terms of the on-premise logic, and again, to replicate what we're seeing with the adoption in cloud, right? And in some cases, you need to have both, right? Or a lot of organizations, large enterprise, they're doing external marketing initiatives and these things. Cloud is not an issue. For high secure stuff, when their IP is in question, it's always a high secure deployment. So we need to be able to bring both forward, right? The best of both worlds. Our website is ai-media.tv. And, you can reach out to me directly through any contact information that's public through LinkedIn. But, we're global. We have offices in New York and London, in Australia. And so we're just happy to speak with anybody at this point and keep building off of our success.